Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, video tech. Today we're going to be looking at the Mavic 3, and we're going to be looking at hand launching and hand landing. Can you do it? A lot of people say don't do it. You can hurt your fingers, but if you know what you're doing, it's not that bad. Stick right there. We're going to show you how to hand launch and hand catch. All right, so the first thing you want to look at when hand launching, you want to get it up away from your face, because you don't want it flying into your face, but you want to get it so above your head and just have a slight grip on it, and then with your other hand you want to kind of propose the controller so you can just hit the takeoff button with your other hand. Once you get started, just let it go. And it's up there. So now it's flying. For landing, you want to bring it down with the left stick. And just hold it till the button's cut off. So what I did was, I held the left stick down, hand under it. Of course, it's just going to try to fly off and go away. But holding it down, it allows it to lower itself right into my hand. Keep the left stick down, the motors will cut off. And there you go. That's hand launching, hand landing, right there. Simple. Well, that's all from Eye in the Sky Drones. Thank you for signing in. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. As always, be safe and have fun flying.